What is up, everybody out there on YouTube and possibly Substack if I get around to posting that later? What's happening? Let me look at the markets. Without further ado, let's take a look and see where we're at, where we're going, some possible areas. I don't have time to make this sweet and pretty. You're looking at 75.35. There's a major upside area. 72.80, 73.35 on the base side. Looks like some shit may gap down here on open with crude opening up. We'll take a look at that as the markets get closer to opening here in 9 minutes. Most recent kind of activity that we've had is right in the middle of some of that action area. That contention's been 74.81, 74.81, boom. 74.50, boom. You got some more off of 74.10. That just double bottoms, so. But you did have a nice markdown of 74.58, right? 74.58 on ESE Mini S&P futures selection came in at 74.20, as you see off the 73.72. Got 74.20, and already getting some downside. Let's see if we gap down. If we were to gap down 43.35, 43.20. I'm sorry, 73.35, 73.20, 73.06. So I'd be looking for one band, two band possibly. You're going to have yellow bands in play, which means if you're still looking up here, that's 58. You already made that initial approach here, so we have possible mid area right there above that 73.50. They could come in possibly and then push back up. 73.94 reject, get a 100-point wide sweep down to 72.94. Playing in the middle of that 72.80, 74, 73.80, 74.35. So playing in there. Keep an eye on your yellow bands again. That's 94, 58, 42, 26. Get those 100-point move wides off the 94 and the 72s quite often. Going to be seeing if we continue on these yellow bands. If we level off, start playing the 80-35s again, which we've still been doing, but the initial shift is off those higher bands. So that's what we got on ES. Keep an eye on 73.35, 74.35 right there. Shorts and longs. You got midterms you might be able to get around. Be careful shorting the 50. Actually, be careful shorting anything below 58. Even if it keeps going, I'd be looking at, something like that, 74.64 possibly. All right, let's get off of that one. Don't want the market to actually open while I'm still analyzing shit. We gotta look at this first. The big area on crude 72. It makes sense. They had a bunch of bullshit over the weekend, right under that 72. We regained that $72 area on the crude. Extreme upside would be 86 to 94, but for now, the extreme would be 86. We're getting down into the bottom of that quadrant I've been calling for since 100 level, 72 to 86, slightly below that. See if they snap it back and try to take back 80. That could shake up the markets there. Still got 64 on the drop side. Possible happening if we reject and the markets start ripping. Might get a tank there, so keep an eye on those levels. The silver, we've called that way long ago on the short side. They've been trying to get support around 56, now 58. they come back in, you're going to see that $50 price tag get approached again. So silver's still in that bearish momentum, although could quickly trigger a long position depending on the macroeconomics and what's going on with crude oil. And keep an eye on your Bitcoin as well. NASCracker, I'm not covering it. Always follow your ES. Get your NASCracker to line up with the 35 and 80 to see what kind of patterns are working for it, and line those up with your ES. And that's what I got for you. Market's getting ready to open here shortly. Guess what? We don't care. It's going to do whatever it does. I'm not trading just because I don't want to be glued to this shit or do something stupid. We'd rather wait till tomorrow where it's more predictable. And 2:30. Maybe we got about 2:30, 2:45 tomorrow. Go out till through power hour and see what happens there. So peace out, brothers and sisters. We'll keep this one short and sweet. Nothing else that I have to cover right now. We don't like to confuse and complicate shit. Let's keep it simple, short, and sweet. Peace out. Yo.